know. Oh my god, this light and cheese.
This is my intro. This is my intro. This is my intro. This is my intro. Ugh.
Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's the girl. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I don't know, I forgot which side I usually do on. Channel. It's your girl, Leanne, and I'm back again. Wow, my stuff is falling off. And I'm back again with another video. And the video is on this hair. If you like what you see, then keep on watching. Anyway, this video is about this hair, how I tweaked it a little bit, not even a lot, just a little bit. It was good out of the box, but I wanted it to look more natural-ish, and I really like that it has the dark roots and whatever, and it's so bouncy, so curly. I love me some curls. So this video is on this hair, and before we go any further, if you are not already subscribed to this channel, child, what is you doing? Go ahead, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell button to join the hashtag notification squad, notification gang, and make sure you thumbs up the video and tell me what else you want to see in or on my channel. And yeah, oh my god, I love this hair so much. So my makeup today, bitch, it's popping. Okay, like I'm really feeling myself. After this, I'm gonna take a bunch of pictures for Instagram. If you're not already following me on Instagram, well, I mean, you're losing out. We're almost at 60K. We're at 55.2, I think, K on Instagram. I'm gonna leave it right here so you can follow me, so you get all the poppin' shit I do on the regular. Yeah, this intro is really fucking long, and that is embarrassing. So bye, goodbye, enjoy the video, share this video if you think someone else would like it. In fact, not even if they would like it, just share it because you want to be supportive, and I'll see you guys in the video. Anyway, today I have this $18 hair. Actually, is exactly $17.67. I got this off AliExpress. This is one of my first, synthetic AliExpress wigs, and it came in the box, but I threw the box away and just put everything in the bag. So it came with this mesh cap, wig caps, horrible lashes, a hair tie for some reason, and the actual hair. As you guys know, I like pale pink hair. I don't know if you've seen my profile picture, or I actually changed it, but that was my profile picture for like the longest. So this is what it looks like right out of the box. I haven't touched it or anything. I'm just gonna shake it a little bit, but yeah, this is what it looks like out of the box. I'm gonna put this on and we're gonna style it because $18 is very cheap for a wig, and the construction of this wig is quite good. I don't know if you can see it. It has two clips, two combs in the back. It has the adjustable straps right here, so you can tighten it or loosen it as much as you want. It's right here. It has two of those, and it's no lace. It's synthetic. It's no lace. It's just a cap, and this is supposed to have bangs. So I'm gonna put this on and we're gonna finesse it. So before I put it on, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this one. I like the mesh one. It makes my head bleed a little bit. So we're gonna put this on. My cornrows are struggling, but it's fine. So we're gonna put this on. These kind of tight. My head is a little bit big. Actually, no, it's not tight. So, and then I'm gonna do this, kind of pull it back a little bit. Oh, yeah, like that. Just to hold everything in neatly. And then if you see me looking over there, that's where the mirror is. And then I'm gonna put this on. So some wigs you get really like, oh my god, this is This is ridiculous. Some wigs you get really lucky and you put it on, you don't have to style it or anything. But for me, like when I have to fix it a little bit in the front here, and I look crazy right now. So we're gonna style this a little bit. But it's really good. I like the curls. I like the shape. But we're just gonna do a little bit better of a job in shaping it. So I'm gonna get my scissors. I thought I brought my scissors. Okay, so this is okay. Yeah, I do have a pair of scissors here. So we're gonna start with the obvious parts in the front here, and this is curly hair, so if you pull it you might cut it and then it will be too long, so you just leave it where it is and then kind of cut it where you want it to be. As you can see, I'm not explaining this, but you just cut it where you want to cut it, and that's going to help. So I took off this much from the front. I'm going to do a little more here. This one has to go. Okay, so this is good. Then I'm going to cut a little bit here down here. Okay, I'm going to have hair all over. I don't know. I'm going to try and mess it up a little bit. The curls are a little bit too perfect for me. I'm going to open that up a little bit just so it has a little bit more, it looks a little bit more natural. And here, let me fix this. Okay. I have it here all over. But this, okay, so now I'm going to cut a little bit more here, like right there. You see? Okay, it doesn't really look bad. But I just want to mess it up a little bit more. Kind of mess up the curls, open it up a little bit so it looks more natural in the front here. Okay. It actually, you can kind of wear it from the straight out the pack if you want, but I just want. Oh, this is cute. Oh my god, with a mohawk it was gonna be so cute, but it's fine. I can wear it like this. So I'm still gonna be opening up a little bit more of the curls at the bottom here, and I don't like that these are here, so I'm gonna just cut it off. Just play around with the hair. Like, you can definitely wear it straight out of the box, but I like to mess around with my hair, make it more natural looking. You know, because if this was your real hair, all your curls won't be perfect and the hair won't be like all the perfect length. So I go in there and give it a little bit of layers, if you understand. I don't know, not really layers, but like just to give it more bounce and life and a more realistic kind of look. So that's what we're doing. I'm just doing this section by section. I'll go around, play around in the hair, see what needs to be changed, and then I'll change it. But this sunlight, oh my god, you guys. Okay, this is going to be a thumbnail. Okay. So I think I'm gonna like it like this. Okay, I'm gonna mess with this part a little bit more. I'm quite satisfied with this. Let's see. Okay, so this little hair here is bothering me. Chop. These ones too. Like, just little minor minor tweaking. There's a long one in the back that I felt, so it comes off. I can't really see my back, so I might be messing it up. I might not, but we'll never know. Or you guys are about to find out, and because I'm going to turn around so you can see it. Okay, this is going to be very interesting. You ready? Okay, so this is the back. I like that it's really bouncy in the curls. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love it. I love it. So yeah, this is my cute little $18 synthetic wig review. I'm going to change my top because this is annoying at this point. I'm going to change my top, put on some jewelry, and do the outro and intro. Mwah! Okay, but first of all, let me just, oh my god, it's so cute. I love it. Okay, so I'm back, and this is the final. I don't know, I just really love seeing red and pink together, and I got this cute little play suit from Shein. I'm gonna link it down below if you guys are interested, and I'll also link the hair below. But so this is the final look. And yeah, see you guys. Thank you so much for watching my cute little transformation video.